Before anyone says that I'm not actually banned from Tamara's Twitch streams, well, here's the proof. My unban request has been rejected.
What if no one owes you an answer?
I'm not like that. I always explain myself. And Elena, don't worry, I will keep watching your content. And YouTube kept showing me the stream of Tamara, even though I was watching completely different content at that time, but I purposefully didn't click on it because I don't want to watch her content anymore, as she banned me.
Slight miscalculation.
How do you say it in Russian accent? Miscalculation. Miscalculation.
How did she know?
What do you mean?
How? You removed my blunder.
If you're interested in knowing what happened exactly, then watch this video.